Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing this wig from Amazon. It's from Geeta store. I hope I'm saying that right. It's either Geeta or Geeta store. I'll have it linked down below. But they sent me this wig to review and I'm going to be installing it on my auntie. It's almost her birthday, so we need to get her cute and get her right. So that's what we're going to be doing. And just a quick shout out, she is actually a hairstylist. I'm not a hairstylist, just so you guys know. She's a hairstylist and she does braids, dreads, and everything. So if you're in the DMV area, please go ahead and check out her page and book with her. I'll have her information in the description box as well. So let's go ahead and jump into this video. I had already bleached the knots and plucked the wig and everything. So if you want to see how I do that, please go check out my other videos where I show you in detail how I prep the wig before the install. So this is just going to be a quick install video, and I'm going to start by brushing back her edges, and so we can just keep those nice and safe. And just so you guys know, this is my first time installing a wig on someone with my auntie's skin complexion, so I was really excited for to test that out and see if I could match her skin tone. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and put on a cap so we can start to get that scalpy look. I'm going to be applying some Got2b spray on the cap initially to start to lay that down, and then I'm also going to add one layer of glue. You want that to dry completely before you start to cut off the cap, and also you want to sew down the back with some thread. And now we're going to cut off the cap, and we just want it to stop right after her hairline. So my aunt had brought me some foundation that was just a little bit too light for her skin tone. So a trick that I like to do is, if you have some foundation and it's too light, go ahead and add some eyeshadow to it. So say you have like a palette that has like a dark brown, you can go ahead and mix that in with the foundation to help get the color that you want. And that's what I did here, just to kind of get as close as possible to her skin tone as I could. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that all over the cap and also on the inside of the wig. We're going to be using 3 layers of glue, and you just want to make sure that each layer dries before you apply the next layer. And then once we have all the layers of glue on, now it's time to go ahead and start laying down the wig. So now I'm just going to try and put on the wig and match her hairline, and I cut the lace into 3 sections so that way it's kind of easier to manipulate when it's cut in sections, even if you're laying it all down at one time. So that's what I'm doing here, just trying to match up her hairline before putting on the elastic band. After you had let it dry, go ahead and take it off, take the elastic band off and put some Got2b spray, and then put the elastic band back on. This kind of just helps it to really set that glue in place and helps the install last way longer. So this is how the wig looks after I cut off the lace and laid it back down one more time with the elastic band. I don't know how my camera always cuts off on a part like this. I guess I'm just so focused on doing the wig, I don't realize that my camera either died or stopped recording. So I'm sorry about that. If you want to see how I cut the lace off, please go and look at my other videos. I have so many wig videos on my YouTube channel, so please go check that out. Now you're just going to see me start to hot comb the wig down, and I'm going to be using a combination of the wax stick and the Got2b spray to lay and hot comb the roots, because that is like a key factor in getting like a wig to look realistic, because you want it to look as flat as possible. You don't want it to look bulky or anything, because that really gives off a wig vibe. So definitely just take your time, section the hair out, and hot comb it with the part that your client wants, or your friend, whoever you're doing it on, or yourself. Just ask them if they want a side part, middle part, and then just hot comb it in sections. So now I'm just going to cut the baby hairs at an angle, and then curl them upwards with a small skinny flat iron. And I'm sorry, I kind of was blocking the camera, but I just spray the edge brush with some Got2b spray, and then take it and comb the hair and kind of mold it in the direction that I want the edges to lay. And then you could take the blow dryer to kind of set them in place once you get them how you like them. So we are now going to be crimping this wig, guys. I've been wanting to use my crimper for a while. I used it like one time, and I just wanted to use it again. So I'm going to be crimping this wig, and just to give that nice wavy look, I'm going to first spray it with a little bit of Got2b spray, and then go ahead and take the crimper and start to crimp it down. All that dark stuff on there, that's like product that I was spraying on the crimper at first, and then it like made it burnt, so please disregard that. Spray the hairspray on the hair and not on the crimper, on the, you know, the flat iron thing. So I'm gonna do this all over her head until we get the final result. We're going to be taking a comb and taking the end of it, like the straight part, and then putting it over the part, and then spray the rest with some hair color spray, so that way we can kind of fill in that part if it's over bleached or anything like that. And then I'm just going to take some more foundation or concealer to kind of make that part look more crisp. And here is the final results, guys. I really do like this wig. It really impressed me, and for the price point, I think that this is a great wig, and it came like in 2 days. So if you need a wig from Amazon in a hurry that's good quality, definitely check out this wig. I am very impressed and very happy with how this turned out. So I'll have the link down below if you want to purchase this wig. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below letting me know of other videos you would like to see from me. Lastly, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button, so that way you'll be notified every time that I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.